Oh, I hate going to have to play the game that I have to play for you guys next. Please don't be mad at me if I do this, but it's a game about 2017's biggest trend that 2018 is going to remember why they want to kill yourself. So yeah, we're going to bring back a fidget spinner game. I destroyed the fidget spinners. I tried to do a video on that, but that never worked. So sadly, we just have two broken fidget spinners outside, and no one's gonna speak of them again. So yeah, even my sister's one. She's probably gonna be mad at me, to be honest, but I don't really care. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.